Wow, it's such a hot day today. Wait, is that an ice cream van? Ice cream! Ice cream! I want some ice cream! Papa, please, can I have some ice cream?
Of course, my son. Let's get you your favorite flavor.
Wow, there are so many delicious flavors.
Which flavor would you like, little one?
Yummy! This is the best ice cream ever.
I'm glad you like it.
Papa, why are those children just standing there? They look like they really want some ice cream. Papa, can't they have some ice cream too?
Sometimes, you don't need something big to make someone happy. Bring a big smile.
Here, let's share my ice cream together. Really? Thank you. Sharing makes everything taste even sweeter. Papa, I have an idea. Can we make our own ice cream cart? We can use all these old things to make something wonderful. Here you go, Papa. I'll help you.
Thank you, baby cat. Let's make it strong and safe.
I'm going to make our ice cream cart the most colorful cart in the whole city.
Look at that! It's starting to look amazing.
Wow, it looks so beautiful. Baby Cat's happy ice cream. Ice cream. Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, mango, and blueberry. We have so many delicious flavors. Wow, our happy ice cream cart is ready.
Now let's go and share some happiness with everyone.
Today, we're gonna make everyone in the park happy. Come and enjoy some delicious happy ice cream. Wow, so many flavors. Everyone can choose their favorite. Here you go. One strawberry for you. Thank you, baby cat. Thank you, baby cat. And one chocolate for you.
One at a time, everyone. Don't worry.
There is enough ice cream for everyone. Yes, everyone deserves a happy treat. Oh no, the ice cream is melting. Papa, what are we gonna do? All the ice cream might melt.
Don't worry, son. Every problem has a solution. Let's think of one together.
Wait! I have an idea! What if we use the power of the sun to keep the ice cream cold?
Great idea, baby cat. Let's build a solar-powered cooling system.
I'll help you, Papa. Let's make it work. It works! Now our ice cream will stay cold even on the hottest day.
You did it, son. Your creative idea solved the problem.
Our happy ice cream cart is ready for the hottest days. Happy ice cream for everyone! Come and choose your favorite flavor. Baby cat, you came to our school. Of course, I brought lots of delicious ice cream for everyone. This ice cream is for you. It's my special treat.
Thank you, little one. You made our day so much sweeter.
That little child looks very sad. I wonder what happened. Why are you sitting here all alone? Today is my birthday, but none of my friends came. Don't be sad. I have an idea. We're gonna make your birthday special. Everyone, let's celebrate a very special birthday together! Happy birthday! Thank you, baby cat! This is the best birthday ever! The best flavor of ice cream is the one you share with your friends. Happiness is better when shared.
Yes, making others smile is sweetest.
Like, share, and subscribe to MeowToons for more magical adventures. Wow, the moon is so beautiful tonight. What is that strange blue light? I have to find out where that light is coming from. The light is coming from that old garden. Wow, I've never seen flowers like these before. Hey, little butterfly! Wait for me! Where are you taking me? Whoa! What is this mysterious door? I wonder what will happen if I touch it. Whoa! What is this place? This place is magical! I've never seen anything like it. It feels like I've stepped into another world. Wait, someone is crying. I think they need help. Oh no! Are you okay? Why are you crying? I lost my way home. And now I can't fly. Don't worry. I'll help you get home. My home is far away, on the other side of the moonlight garden. Then we'll go together. First, we must cross the whispering forest. Then we'll cross the floating star bridge and reach the moon castle. That sounds like a big Don't worry, my friend. We'll make it home together. This forest looks a little scary. Stay close to me. Don't worry, I will protect you. But we can't leave our journey unfinished. Don't worry, I'm right here with you. Stay behind me. I won't let anything hurt you. You're a giant bear!
I am the guardian of the Whispering Forest. To cross the forest, you must find the hidden moonflower.
A hidden moonflower? We'll find it. Let's search everywhere. It must be hidden somewhere nearby. I'll look over there. Wait, I see something glowing under that rock. I found it! This must be the hidden moonflower.
You found it! You may continue your journey.
Thank you, Moon Bear. Wow! Is that the floating star bridge? Yes. We have to cross it to reach the moon castle. Okay, one step at a time. That's right, keep going. Whoa, hold on, the wind is getting stronger. I can't keep my balance. I've got you, don't let go. I'm trying, please don't let go of me. Come on, you can do it, just a little more. I'm almost there. you, baby cat. You saved me. That's what friends are for. We made it! Look! The moon castle! We're almost home! Why isn't the castle opening? Look! There's something written in the air. Goodbye, my friend.
Magic is kindness.
Like and subscribe.
See you next time.